Hi my dear children, a peaceful morning to everyone and also heartily welcome to Gurdeva online classes. Right, I am your maths teacher Bharathi. Today also I will bring a new concept to you. Right, so before starting to our class, we will revise our previous class. Yes, what we did in last class? So we did a subtraction of two-digit number with borrowing, right? So here in this class I will teach you a subtraction of three-digit number without borrowing. Shall we start our class? Yes, come. So first we will revise our previous class. So here is let's recall. It's the headline. So you have to solve these two problems. Okay, so the first one is 92 minus 16. So first, what is our first step? You have to write down the numbers under the columns of tens and ones, right? See here, already I write here. See here, first you have to subtract the numbers in ones column, that is 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6. Is it possible to subtract? No. What can we do? We can take a borrow from its next place value. That is tens. Right? Here is a 2. 2 will borrow as 110. So already you know 110 means 110 is equals to 10 ones. Right? 10 ones. And this 2 is equals to how many ones? 10 plus 2? 12 ones. Right? So after giving borrow, this 9 tens becomes 8 10. 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Okay? So first 12 minus 6. So first what is our next step? First take the smaller number, that is 6. After 6, you have to count up to the bigger number, that is 12. So 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So here, how many fingers I counted here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 6. So write down here 6. So 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. Right? Come to the tens column. 8 minus 1. So here the small one is 1 and the bigger number is 8. Right? So here is an 8 fingers. So in that you have to subtract 1. So I am closing only one finger. How many fingers are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 8 minus 1 is equals to 76. Right? Come to the second one. 50 minus 35. So first you have to subtract the numbers in ones column. 0 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract? No, because 0 it doesn't have any value, right? So we can take a borrow from tens place value, that is how much? 110. 110 is nothing but 10 ones, right? See here, 10 ones plus this 0. 10 plus 0 is again a 10. Okay. Now after giving borrow, this 5 tens becomes 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Right? So now 10 ones minus 5 ones. 10 minus 5. See here, I have 10 fingers. In that you have to subtract 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 4, 5. So write down here 5. Okay. So come to the tens column. 4 minus 3. See here is a 4 finger. In that you have to close how many fingers? 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left here? Only 1. Write down here 1. So the difference between 50 minus 35 is equals to 15. So this is about our previous class. Now come to our today's new concept, that is subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. So in this concept we are not take any borrow from its next place value. Okay. See here. So the first example is 796 minus 144. So what is our first step? Write the bigger number. Write the bigger number below the. What is our first step? So you always write the smaller number below the bigger number. Right? So in this problem, which is the big one? 796. The small number is 144. So first you have to write down these numbers under the columns of 100, tens and ones. So here we are taking 3 digit. So the new place, that is 100. Right? First write down these numbers under the columns of hundreds, tens, 1. So first you have to write down the bigger number, that is 796. 7, it is in 100 place, 9, it is in tens place, 6, it is in ones place. Right? The next one, 144. In 144, 4 is in ones place. Again the second 4 is also in tens place. And this one, it is in hundreds place. Right? So now you have to subtract it and place the symbol of subtraction, this minus, in the left side. Okay? So what is our first step? You have to subtract the numbers in ones column. Right? So those are the given numbers are 6 minus 4. So what is 6 minus 4? First you have to use 6 fingers to subtract. So the big number, that is 6. In that you have to subtract 4, right? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fingers are left here? 1, 2. Write down here 2. Okay. Now come to the tens column. The given numbers are 9 minus 4. See here, here is a 9 fingers, right? In that you have to subtract how many fingers? 4. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write down here 5. So come to the last column. It is hundreds. Because we are taking here 3-digit number, right? So the given numbers are 7 minus 1. So here is a 7. In that you have to subtract only 1. Right. How many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So what is our difference? 652. See here, 796 minus 144 is equals to 652 as the difference. Right? Come to the second problem. That is 698 minus 524. In that, which is the big one? 698. The small number is 524. So write down under the columns of 100, tens and ones. So which number are you writing at first? The big one. That is 698. 698. Right? Second one, 524. In 524, 4 is in ones, 2 is in tens and 5 is in 100 place. So write down 524. So subtraction symbol in the left side, that is minus. So first you have to solve the numbers in ones column. 8 minus 4. So you have to use 8 fingers, right? In that you have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down here 4. Right? Come to the tens column. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. See here, here is a 9 finger. In that you have to close how many fingers? 2 fingers. See here, 1, 2. So let's count how many numbers are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So come to the last column, that is hundreds. 6 minus 5. See, here is on 6 fingers. In that you have to subtract how many? 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many fingers left here? Only 1. Write down here 1. So what is our difference? 174. 698 minus 524 gives 174 as the difference. Right? Now I will give another 2 problems to you. The third problem is 475 minus 134. So in this problem, which is the big number? 475. The small one is 134. So first we have to write the bigger number under the columns of hundreds, tens and ones. So first one, 475. Right? The next one, the small one, that is 134. 134. So place the subtraction symbol, that is minus. So first you have to solve the problems in ones column, that is 5 minus 4. So here is a 5. In that you have to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many fingers left here? 1. So write down here 1. So come to the tens. 7 minus 3. So here is on 7 fingers. In that you have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down here 4. Right? Come to the last one. 4 minus 1. See here, 4 fingers. In that you have to close how many? 1. 1, 2, 3 fingers are left here. Write down here 3. So 475 minus 134, it gives the sum as 341. So write down here 341. Right? Come to the fourth one. 356 minus 122. Right? First you have to write down the bigger number, that is 356. Okay? Write down here 356. The next, second one is 122. That is a small one. Write down here 122. Okay? You have to subtract these two numbers. The first, come to the ones column. 6 minus 2. So here is on 6. In that you have to subtract 2. See here 1, 2. How many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write down here 4. Come to the tens column. 5 minus 2. See here, here is a 5. In that you have to subtract 2. 1, 2. So how many fingers are left here? 1, 2, 3. Write down here 3. So come to the last column, that is hundreds. 3 minus 1. See here is a 3 fingers. Minus 1. How many fingers are left here? 1, 2. Write down here 2. So what is our difference? 234. 356 minus 122 is equals to 234. Right? So this is about the subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. Right? So my dear children, now I will give some more example to you. You have to solve in your home. My dear children, write down these 6 problems. You have to solve in your home. Until now, we learned about a subtraction of 3-digit number without borrowing. So I hope you all enjoyed this class. In the next class, I will teach you a subtraction of 3-digit number with borrowing. Okay students, bye. Have a blissful day.